Hi everyone, it's Jean Belford here. I'm going to walk you through Veracross a little bit, and today what we're going to be working on is how to weight different assignments within your class. So you'll go into Veracross, you'll go into one of your classes, and you'll see when you're in your class, you have at the top attendance, gradebook, grades and comments, calendar, website, photo, settings. A lot of people don't really make much use at this time of calendars, website, photos, or settings. So attendance you take every day. The gradebook and grades and comments are really where, when you're thinking about grades, where you spend most of your time. Okay, and so if you go into the gradebook, what opens up are new options. And so you can add an assignment and you can weight. So today we're going to talk about weighting different types of assignments. So this is tech and wellness. Here's weighting. And just so you know, these other items, you can't really make it specific to your class. So if there's something that you call, I don't even know. So maybe you have in your class, you keep a blog, or you have a podcast, and anytime kids work on the podcast, that's 10% of their grade. You're going to have to just kind of keep in mind that for you will be other, number one, because if we put a change in here, it's universal and it would be a change for the entire school. So we don't want to do that. So in my tech and wellness class, projects, and if I find projects, let's see if I can find projects. Projects are 50%. So for me, so here's a project. So I'm going to say 50%. It will not let you move on until you get to 100%. So that's why this is red now, because I'm not at 100%. Homework for me is 15%. And classwork is 35%. I know some departments are having conversations around class participation and whether that should or shouldn't be a grade. So that's just really a pedagogical question within your department. So Tech and Wellness is a semester-long class, and this is only a first semester course. I could put this in here, but it won't matter. I could put the same numbers in here for semester 2, but it really won't matter for this class because it's, it'll be an entirely new class come spring. However, if you are dealing with a year-long course, this would be when you would also put in the same numbers to be consistent, I would assume, right? You're consistent if you have a year-long course between semester 1 and semester 2. You'd put the same numbers in here. Also, this allows you to drop the lowest grade within this category. So if you want to drop the lowest classwork grade, the lowest homework grade, the lowest project grade, you can go back and do this later. So if this is something that you want to decide later on, that's completely fine. There's nothing to hit here. You don't have to hit save. So once you get out of here, you can move in to other categories and then go back to weighting, and it stays. So that's it. So that's how you weight your different categories within your class.